Hey guys, I've been hearing a lot going on with the PS5 and the fan itself within the PS5 that it'll make a clicking, whirling noise. And if you didn't know that there's different types of fans in the PS5, there's an A fan, B fan, C fan. So there's only like 3 fans, but the most common are the A fan and B fan. It'll have like the 23 blades, and then the other one will have 17 blades. But I want to show you guys, I didn't get to record it beforehand when it first started making the little clicking noise. It's not, you can't hear it anymore because I fixed it, and I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I did that. Okay, so first thing you need these K14 tweezers. The tweezers don't really matter, so you don't really need a 14. Anything that you can use like a crowbar is fine, but it needs to be this thin, you know, a tweezer. I recommend a tweezer. Alrighty. So first thing you have to do is just pull this up where you hear that clicking noise. So you just, right? Okay. Place your fingers, that way it doesn't drop down the fan. So with your tweezers, insert it inside the fan where it has the little green, I forgot what it's called. It's a board, I guess. Don't chew me up for this, guys. If whoever knows this, whatever it's called, screw you guys. Anyways, so yeah, just insert it lightly inside it, and then go downwards. Okay, so just insert it inside and just push downwards. Alrighty. So beforehand, before you do that, you need to hear where the problem is. So you would just turn it, and then whenever you hear that little scratchy noise, like right there, just insert it on wherever you heard it. Just insert it inside it, and just put it in the tweezers and push down. All right, just put it in, push down. Okay, guys. So it doesn't really matter how you guys do it, but I'm gonna show you guys. If only, like I said, if only I had recorded this beforehand when it made that clicking noise and after. But you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you guys the sound. All right. Alrighty, guys. Now for the moment of truth. Oh, you can't hear it no more. Oh my god, yes. If only I recorded it before. Oh my god. You smooth son of a bitch. I mean, what? Oh. Yeah, oh. I mean, nice. Man, if only I had recorded beforehand on how it sounded. It was just crap. I swear to, like, it just sucked big time. But yeah, if you're hearing like a little whirl where it sounds like it's scraping something, make sure you check that out before turning it in or buying like a newer fan for it. I saw a couple from Amazon for like $100, $75. It's not worth it. Just try to do it yourself, I would say, because it saves a lot of money. And it's not worth it. I mean, look at it. You can't even hear it anymore. But like I said, if only I had recorded it beforehand. But yeah, this is nothing. Don't look at that. Alrighty, guys. Hope you like that. Peace.